So we're going to do rondelle today. It's just a basic knife skill. And why I like it is because it gets an uneven sized vegetable like a carrot that tapers, or sweet potatoes that come in different sizes, and it kind of makes it more even, so it makes for even roasting. And that's exactly what we're going to do with these carrots today. We're going to roast these up, and you'll see that sometimes I have big, thick carrots, and sometimes right now, like this one, I have a skinny carrot. But because I'm working at the same 45-degree angle the whole time, the pieces are going to be pretty similar in size, even though it's a thin carrot. So here we go, let's do it slow. My knife is at a 45-degree angle. I'm going to rotate that carrot 90 degrees up towards me, so the cut face faces up towards you, the chef. Every time you slice, face it up, slice, face it up, slice, face it up, slice, face it up. You got one more there, mama. Look at that carrot peel in my hand. Don't look at the carrot peel in my hand. I got a baby. It's a miracle I got this video done. Sorry. Let's clean that off. Okay, here we go. Let's do this again. This is a nice big fatty. Watch this. Goodbye tip. Now we've got that angle. And if you screw it up, if your angle changes a bit, forget it. Move on. You know, this isn't a Michelin star restaurant, right? You're at home. So, no tears. Alright, so those are nice fun pieces. Big carrot. Yay! Alright, we're going to slow it down one more time, because this is an awkward cut. It looks easy. You go to do it yourself, having never done it before, and you're going to say, what? So keep facing it up. Slice. And that's it. That's all I'm going to give you. Okay, so that's what it looks like, finished product. I threw these ones particularly under this roast chicken. If you want the roast chicken recipe, go to our website, thenoblehome.com. We hope to see you there soon. Bye.